Everyone's looking for ways to make an extra $10,000, but most people waste time on hustles that just don't work. In this video, I'll break down the 7 best side hustles that can realistically get you to 10K, some faster than you think. And the crazy part, most people overlook the easiest hustle on this list, the one that could make you $10,000 faster than all the rest. Want to know which one it is? Stick around till the end and I'll reveal it. Number 1. Freelancing. Writing, design, video editing, or coding. Skills that people are already paying for on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. If you're consistent, you can earn anywhere between $500 to $3,000 a month. And the best part? You can start today with zero upfront investment. Number 2. YouTube Shorts and TikTok content. Short-form videos are exploding right now. One viral video can bring you thousands of followers and long-term income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. If you've ever wanted to grow an audience, now is the time. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Instead of creating your own product, promote other people's. Use platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Combine it with TikTok, YouTube, or a blog, and you can scale fast. Think about it. Just 100 sales of a $100 product equals $10,000. Number 4. Digital products. This is where you create something once and sell it forever. Ebooks, online courses, templates. You can sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon KDP. Even a simple planner or guide can make serious money. Do the math. Just 200 sales at $50 gets you 10K. Number 5. Social media management. Small businesses are desperate for help running TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. They'll happily pay $300 to $1,000 a month per account. Land just 10 clients and you're already at $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Number 6. Dropshipping and print on demand. With dropshipping, you don't need inventory. With POD, you design a t-shirt or mug and companies like Amazon or Redbubble print and ship it. Both can scale to thousands once you find a winning product. And number 7. Tutoring or online teaching. Whether it's English, coding, music, or math, there's a global demand. Platforms like Cambly and Preply let you start immediately, and you can charge $15 to $50 an hour. Stack enough students, and you'll hit 10K before you know it. So those are the 7 best side hustles to 10K. Every single one works if you put in the effort. Hit that subscribe button.